Welcome to the best picks. The best hydraulic press plates is probably one of the most versatile tools in the workshop, enabling a wide range of applications from shaping metal to assembling components. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of hydraulic press plates, exploring their different types, uses, and the key features you should consider when choosing the right one for your needs. Get ready to discover how these plates can transform your projects. Number 5. ONECHOI 20-ton AR400F steel press plates. Introducing the ONECHOI press plates, crafted from ultra-strong AR400F steel. This material boasts a yield strength exceeding 140,000 psi, ensuring exceptional durability and longevity. Unlike competitors, this product offers superior performance. These press plates are engineered for safety and reliability, suitable for presses up to 30 tons. They are a perfect, safe replacement for cast plates, eliminating the risk of fracture. You can rely on them for consistent performance. Each plate undergoes strict quality control and precision CNC cutting. The surface finish is meticulously crafted for a smooth, professional look. The design ensures optimal performance and ease of use. Designed with user convenience in mind, these plates feature a small edge chamfer for easy handling. They are machined on both sides to remove mill scale and sharp edges, making installation straightforward. This product is ready to use. These press plates come with a lifetime warranty and are suitable for a variety of presses. They won't shatter like cast iron plates and are designed for a wide range of applications. Hundreds of sets have been sold without a single issue. They are built to last. What we like. This plate is made from premium AR400F material, offering an impressive yield strength. It's also designed for safety and reliability, guaranteed for presses up to 30 tons. If you need a durable and safe solution that will last, this is the one for you. What people say. Best price I could find for plates manufactured out of AR plate. AR plate is considerably harder than mild steel, cold rolled, or hot rolled. They are the same thickness and dimension as the HF ones but seem to be laser cut and smooth on all sides. Number 4. 20-ton steel shop press bed plates. This set of bed plates is built to last. It's made from durable steel, ensuring it can withstand heavy use in your shop. You can rely on it for years to come. With a 20-ton capacity, this set is designed for demanding tasks. It provides the strength you need for pressing, bending, and straightening operations. It's a reliable tool for various projects. The H-frame design offers stability and ease of use. It provides a solid base for your shop press. This design makes it easy to position and work with. The 4-notch design provides versatility. It allows for different height adjustments to accommodate various projects. This feature enhances its adaptability. The bed plates have dimensions of 1 by 5 by 5. They are designed to fit most standard shop presses. They are the perfect size for a variety of applications. This is a complete set of bed plates. It includes everything you need to get started. It's a convenient and practical addition to any workshop. What we like. These plates offer a solid 20-ton capacity, perfect for a wide range of shop tasks. The H-frame design ensures stability and ease of use. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile option for your pressing needs, consider this. What people say. The material is of great material steel. Works great under my 20-ton press. Very well made quality product that will have a long service life. These are laser or plasma cut, both are parallel, square and flat. Number 3. Swag Off-Road Arbor Press Plates, pair. Introducing the Swag Off-Road Arbor Press Plates. These plates are designed to replace the old ones. They are made in the USA. These Arbor press plates are cut from high-strength grade 50, A572 steel. This ensures they are durable and can withstand heavy use. Tired of those cast Arbor plates that break easily? These plates are the solution. They are built to last. Each Swag Arbor press plate is machined on both sides. This removes mill scale and sharp edges, ensuring a smooth and safe experience. With dimensions of 7.00 foot x 7.00 x 1.00, it's the ideal size. It's a perfect replacement for the 12-ton Harbor Freight cast Arbor plates. What we like. Made in the USA from high-strength steel, this plate is built to last. It's the ideal size for replacing those old cast Arbor plates. If you value quality and want a reliable upgrade, this is a great choice. What people say. Well finished and flat. They are the perfect base to press out wheel bearings on my Harbor Freight 20-ton press. These are well finished, zero pitting or casting issues. Super clean edges and smooth faces. These are sized perfectly for the HF 20-ton press. Work exactly as they should. Number 2. Press Plate Arbor Parallels 1x4x10 Set. Introducing the Press Plate Arbor Parallels Set. This set is designed for precision and durability, making it an essential tool for various applications. The set includes parallels sized 1x4x10. They are crafted to meet the demands of your projects, ensuring accuracy and reliability. With 30-ton capabilities, this set can handle heavy-duty tasks. It's built to withstand significant pressure, providing you with the strength you need. These parallels are CNC plasma cut for precision. This process ensures clean edges and accurate dimensions, enhancing the overall quality of the product. Made from solid 80,000 psi steel, it offers exceptional strength and longevity. This ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. Proudly made in the USA, this set reflects quality craftsmanship. You can trust its reliability and performance. What we like. With its 30-ton capabilities, this plate can handle some serious pressure. The CNC plasma cut ensures precision and the solid 80,000 psi steel guarantees durability. If you have heavy-duty pressing needs, this is the perfect option. What people say. The plates are well made and have a nice finish. The product works as advertised and is easy to use. The plates heat up quickly and evenly. Number 1. JEGS 81518-4 Replacement Press Plates. These are replacement press plates for your 6-ton hydraulic shop press. They are designed to provide a solid base for pressing bearings and other parts. This set of 2 plates will help you get the job done. These plates are specifically designed for the JEGS 6-ton hydraulic shop press, model 555 to 81518. They are a direct replacement for the original plates. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. Each plate measures 614 inches long, 211/16 inches wide, and 12 inch high. They also feature a .317-inch diameter hole on one corner. This design provides the strength and stability needed for pressing applications. Made from durable steel, these plates are built to withstand high-pressure usage. The black painted finish provides corrosion resistance. This ensures that they will last for years to come. This set includes 2 replacement plates. Over time, the original plates may bend or crack. Replacing them with this pair will restore the functionality of your press. What we like. This plate is specifically designed as a replacement for JEGS 6-ton shop press. It's made from durable steel and has a sleek black painted finish. If you have a JEGS press and need a reliable replacement, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Hydraulic press plates are well made and function as described. The product works great and is exactly what I needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.